Happy New Year 2022, and I was gonna start with working on my project car, the 460, but I guess not. I was skimming the Facebook and I found a guy that was giving away some steel net. I don't know what the proper word for it is in English. Hopefully you can see it in the back here in my car. So I've been looking for that because I have a small parts cleaner that I was gonna restore, and I need a kind of net, and it's super expensive to buy new ones, and they only come in big sheets. I don't need that much. This piece was about 5 by 6 feet, and it was for free. I had to drive an hour to get it, so I just picked it up. So now I'm gonna go back home, and I also had to clean some snow. As you could see in the beginning of the video, the snowblower, it works perfect after my modifications. It's like a brand new machine. So I had to clean the snow and then go pick up this net, and I'm going to stop and buy some groceries on the way home. So maybe I get some time in the garage in the afternoon. We'll see. So anyway, this is what I did today. I'm sorry it didn't become a 460 video, but I couldn't turn down this opportunity to get this stuff for free, and I had to do the cleaning the snow. So I see you in the next video. Bye. Driving, why don't we stop at Eula, see if I can get find some gloves. I need more gloves in the garage, so let's go in to Eula and see if they have any for a recent price. There we go. 5 pair, 100 crown. That's cheap. 100 crown, that's less than 10 bucks for 5 pair. So let's go to Biltema. I need some stuff from them too. See, straight ahead. Close. There. Now we got some flat bar too. Only thing left is groceries. And then we go home. So this is what I got for free. This is really expensive to buy. I gotta use this for my porch washer. I have a porch washer that I'm gonna kind of fix up. So I need this. And I also got some what was the name of it now? Flat bar. Different sizes, dimensions. It's one of those things that's nice to have in the garage, just in case. So I'm gonna hang this up. I gotta even make a room for them. I have the squares over there, the round over there, and the angle one is way back there. You're gonna find a place for the flat ones. So anyway, that's what I've been doing today, running around, getting some free stuff and buy some stuff. We'll see you next time. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I'm gonna start with this one. I have nothing planned for tomorrow, so let's get on this project. So, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.